goat?
Goat. It should
The
be.
goat needs a name?
Yeah, it needs a name.
Oh, okay. What do you want to name it?
Tom.
Tom? Okay. How about Billy?
Okay, Billy.
Because
Can
it's a
I
billy
call-
goat.
When I read this, can I say Billy?
Yep.
Can I say Billy?
Instead of the goat, yes, you may.
Hang on.
Billy?
Billy ran up the road. Billy came to a toad. The toad was in a boat. I'm gonna say the names right. I think
Okay.
the name's the goat of the goat. The toad. It did not like the goat.
Billy.
The goat.
She's
Billy.
decided to
Oh,
read
okay.
it correctly.
Okay.
The toad ran to hide.
Good job.
The goat came to a coat. The coat was not on the line.
Very good.
The goat ate a hole.
And what?
In the coat.
Yep.
I like the coat. This coat, said the goat. That rhymes. The goat ran up the road. I was about to say hill. It's the same picture on some pages.
Yep.
It came to a bar of soap. Bit of soup. The goat ate the soap. I like this soap, said the goat. Soap. The soap made foam. The goat
Gave.
gave a big moan.
Very good.
The goat ran up the road to a big tub.
Good job. Oh, hold on, you skipped. Hold on. Yep. There you go.
The goat ran to the tub and
Duh.
dove in The goat. Goat. Got.
Rid.
Rid of the soup. From
The foam.
the foam is in the tub. The goat said,
No.
Did.
but
Did. Bless you.
Bless you.
did like the tin can. I did like the
Coat.
coat. Soap is foam.
Fine.
Fine.